Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to set privacy on Snapchat that who contact me on the Snapchat. So, without wasting time, let's start video. Firstly, open the Snapchat and you will see profile icon at top left corner, click on it. And you will see setting options at top right corner, click on it. Then scroll down the page and you will see contact me options, click on it. And then you can see who contact you directly with Snapchat. So if you will select the friends, then those friends which you have been added, only that friend can contact you directly with Snapchat. If you will select on friends and contact, then your friends and contact will contact you directly with Snapchat. So in this way you can select the privacy on who can contact you directly on the Snapchat. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.